Unveiling the magic within a Shogini Toys sensor-based intruder alarm DIY kit. A treasure trove of electronic wonders. As the cover lifts, a single-sheet manual greets you, your guide to the project and connection diagram. But the real marvel lies beneath. There it is, a pre-wired, pre-programmed project neatly mounted on an acrylic board. A symphony of an infrared module, a pre-programmed CPU, a buzzer, and a push switch, all harmoniously connected to a battery holder on a breadboard. The next step? Simple. Insert 3 AA batteries, flick the switch, and behold the project spring to life. It's not just a project, it's a real-world intruder alarm system. Once armed, any intruder will be detected, triggering the alarm automatically. Take it a step further. Build creative, attractive cardboard models, the perfect accompaniment for school science projects and exhibitions. The possibilities? Boundless. Create fun, interactive, authentic, real-world models with ease. That's the power of a child's imagination fueled by a Shogini Toy sensor-based intruder alarm DIY kit. Innovation, excitement, and learning all in one box.